Yo, YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Kari, back here again with another video. So obviously, looks like my surroundings have changed. If you're thinking that, you're right. But before we get into the video today, man, go ahead, hit the like button, and definitely subscribe for me. We're doing real well with the subscribers. I want everybody to keep subscribing and showing love to the channel. And yeah, man, follow me on IG. Kari.hq right now, you know what I'm saying? That's super important. You're gonna miss out on a lot if you're not following me on IG and if you're not subscribed to my channel. So hit the subscribe right now. Turn on your notifications so every time I drop, you're gonna know. Alright, so with this video today, I just want to address a few things. Anyone that's been following me knows that I just traveled from Colombia to the United States. And right now I'm in Texas right now. Yeah, I got tons of comments, tons of questions. People hit me up on Instagram asking like the same questions. Everybody, it's like a few of the same questions. It's funny, but I just want to address all of those questions today in this video and just talk to the people today. Because obviously I'm not in Colombia, so I don't have, I'm not going out and showing you anything in Colombia today. Just talking to you guys about my life, what's going on in my life, addressing the biggest questions out there, the elephants in the room, and yeah, just giving y'all some new information, some new updates, right? So first off, what I want to address is, am I leaving Colombia for good? That's probably the #1 question that I've been getting. It's like, bro, we saw you, on the plane, we saw your video leaving, and if you watch the video again, you'll see, I never said I'm never coming back to Colombia. Like, I never once said that. And actually, I'm coming back. I had plans to come back even before I left. So I'm coming back relatively soon, too. So if you are very interested in my Colombia content, that's not going to change. We're still going to have Colombia content very consistently. And actually, I'm going to be making a lot more Colombia content as soon as I get back. So yeah, if you're a fan of Colombia and that's one of the reasons you tuned in, then you definitely want to subscribe and hit the like, because I just gave you the confirmation that you're going to get a lot more Colombia from my channel. So show some love with that. So the second question is like, when am I coming back? Those are the people that realized that I wasn't leaving forever. The next question was, well, when are you coming back, right? So I'm not going to give away my exact travel dates and all that. It's just, I don't know, some things you just don't have to tell nobody, you know what I mean? Like, I'm coming back, I'll be back pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned and definitely subscribe, and you'll see when I'm back, because I'm sure I'll do a video as soon as I get back. And it's not going to be a long time. Everyone thinks I'm gone for 3-6 months. No, I'll be right back. But yeah, y'all just want to stay tuned, and don't worry, I'll be right back very soon. And we're going to get it lit, too, for 2021. Like, just being in the States has got me so motivated to get back to Colombia. It really does, like, motivate me to, like, get back out there, because it's just being, when you're there for so long, it's hard to keep that Colombian hunger up, like being excited about being in Colombia. But when you come back for a little bit, it really recharges that in you. So that's what I've been experiencing, man. I'm so excited to get back. Like, I knew as soon as I got to the States, I'd be ready to go back. But yeah, so the third question I get a lot of is, what happened to Nipsey, right? What happened to my dog, my French bulldog, Lil Nip, right? Nothing happened to Lil Nip. Lil Nip is good, you feel me? He is in what they call a guarderia. It's like a doggy hotel in Colombia, right? Because I was planning on taking him out here, but I had a crazy situation happening, and he wasn't feeling that good. Like, he had got diarrhea around the time that we were supposed to leave, and I just said, you know what, it'll be easier to put him in a guarderia, and then, because I know the people that run it, and I'm really like cool with them. And actually, if I have some footage of when I think I took a video when I dropped him off, so I might play that. But anyway, yeah, man, he's good. He's straight. They send me pictures of him every day playing around with other dogs. I actually think that's a good thing for him, because it's hard for him. I mean, it's not hard, but he doesn't get the most dog time. So when he can really hang out with the boys, then I know that, you know, it's happy. It makes him happy and it wears him out. Cause, you know, when some days I'm just working in the house and doing stuff, and, you know, I walk him, but that don't really get him all tired. So yeah, man, I'm sure he's sleeping good because he's playing with other dogs all day. So yeah, and then of course the people, they're also veterinarians, and you know, I mean, they know everything there is to know about dogs and stuff. So he's good. He'll be right back, and I'm sure we'll get some more videos about Nipsey. I've been meaning to do that. I just haven't done it yet. So another question or comment I got, it was funny to me, was did I run out of money? Like, did I have to close down shop because, you know, we bankrupt or something like that over here? And while I do welcome any money I can get, right? I mean, I'm not rich, not even close yet. I do feel like I'm doing well for myself, you know, relatively. And it's probably because I'm so grateful for anything I have. So, but to answer the question, did I run out of money? No, that's not why I'm not in Colombia right now. Absolutely not. In fact, if you follow the stock market, it's doing excellent right now. A lot of companies that I've been holding for a while have recently went up in value, and I'm super excited. I started positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum very recently too, and the last few days those have been doing well also. So, you know, asset growth has been doing really good. But do I want to, you know, promote my other businesses like my consultations? Yes, I've been having some of the best consultations with people that follow me on YouTube, people that follow me on Instagram, hit me up and say, hey, I want to learn about stocks, and, you know, I want you to teach me. I already have a class prepared for that. I do a minimum of 2 hours with people, and then, you know, hit me up on Instagram for pricing. But yeah, my plans start at 2 hours, and we'll talk. I'll go through my whole investment philosophy, explain to you how to get started investing, just really handhold you through the beginning of what you need to know to get started and not feel like, you know, I'm just throwing money up at the roulette table or something like that. Because the difference between like gambling and investing, you have so much more information to base your bet off of. And after, you know, the ball hits on the number, that's not the end of it for you. If today the ball doesn't hit on your number, you can wait, hold, and maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe next month, maybe next year, it hits on your number. And when that happens, then it's your time, you know. So if you're interested in stocks and investing, and if you also want to talk about Colombia, any questions about Colombia, book a consultation with me ASAP. Yeah, man, I had some really powerful ones this week. Shout out to my boy Eric Hebron. I hope I'm saying that right. He just did one with me yesterday. I think he's from the Maryland or Virginia area. And yeah, man, we had a good time chatting. And I did one the day before with this lady out in Portland, Oregon. So, you know, I love talking to people all over the country, different races, different everything. So, yeah, man, that's something that I'm really, you know, enjoying lately. Like doing consultation with my followers, with people that subscribe. It's just like really powerful. I really love doing that. So y'all book up, man. So yeah, the next question I get is funny too. It's like, did I get deported? No, I didn't get deported. I have a visa. Let me see if I can show you my visa. I'm not gonna zoom in on it, but I'll just show you a little bit of it. This is an electronic visa, but yeah, man, we good. Like, my papers are straight for sure. Like, I don't play around like that. It wasn't easy getting the visa, and I'm gonna do some really in-depth videos. I promise when I get back, I'm gonna do those visa videos for y'all. I get a lot of people asking about visa videos, but for most people, the situation is different. Like, most people, they would have to, it's just hard. It's hard. Like, I have a employment in Colombia, so, you know, that's why, you know, that's one of the reasons I had sponsorship, you know, the company sponsoring me and stuff like that. Most people don't have that, so you know, when I do the visa thing, I'm gonna tell y'all about some other options that you might have. So, yeah. So another thing is, how does it feel to be home? I think I just want to talk about that really quick. I'm in Austin, Texas right now. It feels weird. Like, I went to the Domain and the Apple store was closed. A lot of my favorite restaurants have closed down. There's like nothing to go do really. I mean, people are of course doing stuff in their house, but even like in the States, you don't want to you can't just pull up on everybody, because some people, they don't welcome visitors right now in this time until the COVID thing has died down. So it's weird. Like, you know, it's like really, really like people staying to themselves, and it's a really weird time. And like in Colombia, I feel like where I live, I always get the action from the street and people walking and being out. It's not the same as it is before the pandemic in Colombia, where you can see people's face, talk to them, smile, laugh, and all that. But at least there's more like people moving around, and I don't know, it's just more mixing and mingling with people like on the regular. But out here, especially in Texas, where everyone has their own car, own house, their own space, everybody just really tries to stay away from each other. But I get it, you know, it's pandemic times. I ain't gonna touch on that too much. I do want to ask my people watching right now and subscribers, what's going on for the Super Bowl? The Super Bowl is this weekend. I think I'm gonna be in H-Town, but y'all let me know in the comments, what are y'all doing for the Super Bowl? What are y'all plans? Maybe is anyone going to Colombia for the Super Bowl, or going Colombia just this weekend and gonna be there for the Super Bowl, or what have you? Yeah, and then, you know, I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. You know, obviously I did come out here to get some like stuff that I've been needing. Like, I got all this stuff, I got, you know, Apple stuff, keyboards, got MacBooks, the M1 MacBooks. Super excited about having this, upgrading from my old 2013 MacBook right here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this one up for sale yet in Colombia. I could probably do, you know, get a good amount for it, but I might just use it to stream. Cause when I do stream like sports and stuff, I could do it just on this computer maybe, and it might be easier. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I'm super happy to have a new MacBook. I've been wanting one for so long. But yeah, I think in the future, I do want to do some giveaways with the MacBooks for my subscribers and my followers, and maybe like a raffle or something. We'll see. But yeah, one of these is for a friend of mine in Colombia. So one's mine, one's for them, and then yeah. But I'm thinking about getting some more technology stuff. Just do some sweepstakes for you guys and show you guys some love. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I do plan to get a tattoo sometime while I'm out here in Texas. Maybe next week, we'll see. I'll keep y'all updated on that. And then y'all sign up for your consultations ASAP. Hit me up. Let's get it going. I want y'all investing. I want y'all growing your money so you could live in another country one day and feel comfortable. Or if you want to buy that new car, if you want to, whatever you want to do, you just want to get out of debt, talk to me. You know, that's something I love talking about, and I love helping people out with. And, you know, I found a lot of success, like, once you're able to pull yourself out of debt and start building on your assets and whatnot. It's just like your whole world opens up, man. It's like your options just become so much greater. So yeah, follow me on IG, subscribe to my channel, and definitely hit the like button, because that helps me out. It helps my videos touch more people. And yeah, I appreciate everything. I wish everyone the best, and we'll talk soon, guys. Peace.